So we're heading back in because it chopped up on the North Shore a little bit. It looks beautiful over this side right now, so we're gonna go in quickly.
Let's wait a little more spire. Close your mouth and open up your heart. Baby, satisfy me. Come on, baby, I'm tired of talking. Grab your coat and let's start walking. Come on, baby, I'm tired of talking.
We're gonna grab a drone battery and a charger because we've already run out of most of our drone batteries, and then we're gonna head on the south side and we're gonna get some beautiful flat glass, I hope.
A little less conversation, a little more action, please. A little less conversation.
No, we just go two boats together. The boat that I'm not in it is a bit in front of the other. It goes slower than this boat, so I throw a wake-to-wake flip. I'm still with the rope. I leave the rope and I go fast with nothing. So I grab the rope and the boat goes faster. You got it?
Baby, close your eyes and listen to the music drifting through a summer breeze. It's a groovy night and I can show you how to use it. Come along with me and put your mind at ease. A little less conversation, a little more action, please. All this aggravation needs satisfaction in me. A little more bite, a little less spark. A little less right, a little more spark. Close your mouth and open up your heart. Baby, satisfy me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't procrastinate, don't articulate, just get laid, let's go. A little less conversation, a little more action, please. A little less conversation, a little more action, please. Satisfy me, satisfy me, satisfy me, baby. Satisfy me, satisfy me, satisfy me, satisfy me, baby. Satisfy me, satisfy me, baby.
Very superstitious. Wash your face and rid me of problems. Do all that you can. Keep me in daydream. Keep me free. Very superstitious. Writings on the wall. Very superstitious. Letters about to fall.
Yeah! Woo!
7 years of bad luck. You could think in your past. And you believe in things that you don't understand when you suffer. Superstition ain't the way.
Never let go. I will never let go, Jack. I'll never let go.